And welcome back to another episode of AbeautyFamily.
Friday.
So today's Friday, and this weekend we have some exciting things going on. It's my nephew's 8th birthday. So Aaron, if you're watching this, happy birthday. We love you and we can't wait to celebrate with you here in my house. And I'm actually going to be baking his cake, which I'm gonna start the frosting today, and then I'm gonna finish baking the cake tomorrow. Fun fact, I love baking. Not from scratch or whatever, but like the box. But I love baking, so we're gonna be doing that, and I'm gonna be making a chocolate fudge cake with Oreo buttercream frosting. The only thing that's gonna be from scratch, I guess, is the frosting, but the actual cake, Kason is just like, here you go. All right, so if you're new to my channel,
they're not too new to my channel.
They're not new? Well, if you're new to my channel, my name is Alexa. This is Kason. This is Gracie.
My name is Friday.
Owen's not here, but welcome. We hope that you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in a few minutes while I make the frosting. Bye. Okay, so I'm gonna get started on this Oreo frosting cake. So like I said, the only thing that I'm making from scratch is the frosting, which I've never done before, but it looks super easy. It looks really good, and I'm making it the night before. So today's Friday, tomorrow's the actual birthday celebration. Tomorrow I'll be making 2 layers. So I'm gonna do 2 layers of the super moist triple chocolate fudge cake. I'll put, if anybody wants to do this, I'll try to put the recipe in the description. The recipe is only for the frosting. The actual cake is just, you know, the instructions are on the box. So powdered sugar, Oreos, unsalted butter, it's gonna be my thumbnail, heavy cream, if I hold everything, vanilla extract, and salt. So the cake. Copy? Copy. Okay. Don't be extra, because I just try to, like, just do it the way you normally would, Alexa. Like, that made absolutely no sense.
What?
Absolutely no sense.
Oh my gosh, that's not what the way
Me trying to be Emerald Lagasse up in here. Come on. See? YouTube got me doing crazy things. Anyways, crush up 12 cookies. Crush up 12 cookies. Frosting, sheet thick. I tasted it.
I'll taste it. Can I taste it?
It really tastes like vanilla Oreo frosting. I thought, here, you could taste a little bit, Gracie. The tiniest taste. So yeah, that was my first time. I feel like it would have been easier if you have like a KitchenAid mixer, but you got to work with what you got. This is the frosting. I'm just gonna put it, I think, in a Ziploc. I don't know if I can store it in here. I don't know. I'm just gonna store it in the fridge, and then tomorrow this is what we're gonna use to frost the cake. So I will see you guys tomorrow. It's now Saturday. It's the next day. I'm in a really weird mood, but I'm trying to push through. You know those days when you're like already annoyed and then unnecessary things just happen? Like, I ordered an iced coffee. which I could have just made, but I'm like, you know what, you deserve it. Before I even take a sip, the whole coffee spills. So I'm like, okay, make yourself a coffee. I was already annoyed, but so I made myself a coffee, and then my ice cube tray gets stuck and I can't get the ice out. It's just like one of those days, but we're pushing through. I'm on day 2 of making my nephew's cake. So the buttercream is in the fridge. I'm gonna start thawing it, or like letting it get to room temperature once I put the cakes in the oven. So the cake I'm gonna make today is, I showed this yesterday, but super moist triple chocolate fudge cake mix. I'm gonna do it. What a hair on my face. I do not like how my makeup came out today. Whatever. And then I'm probably, yeah, I'm trying a new product. I don't know. She's sus. Anyways, whatever. I'm gonna do this ×2. And I also got this cake decorating kit with the supplies in it, because I'm gonna like decorate the cake, which is just frosting the cake. That's what I'm doing. But, you know, get that spin motion, making my life a little bit easier. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys that. But right now, we're gonna just bake this cake. So okay, so I just finished 2 cakes. I'm gonna put them in the oven, and then I'm gonna come back to show you when I'm frosting the cake, which is the most exciting part, kind of, for me. But I also wanted to say that I am gonna be vlogging the party. I'm not gonna call it a party, it's just a get together. My apartment is very tiny, so it's not a lot of people. I wish I could have a lot of people over, but soon. Manifesting that, manifesting, but also working my ass off to get it done. Oh my god, the water's running. So yeah, for now it's just a small gathering with my family for my nephew Aaron, and so I'll be, like I said, I'll be vlogging the get together. I do also have to cook, which I don't know if I'm going to show that because it might get hectic. But if it looks good, I'll show the end result of what I cooked. And yeah, that's pretty much what's going on for today. I'll be back when it's time to frost the cake. I'm gonna flip the cake, take it out of the pan, and then I'm sure you're supposed to let this completely cool, because I know it's easier to deal with a cake after it's cooled, but the way my patience is set up, I'm just gonna do it now. Also, I'm gonna put the buttercream in this piping bag. So it comes with the plastic bags, and then you're supposed to put it in the blue bag, which I don't really understand why. So I'm just gonna follow the instructions. So I did that. That's what you see here. I'm gonna put the buttercream inside so we can pipe the cake. But I'm gonna show you me flipping the cake and then carving it, I guess. I don't know. So. And I don't want to judge this on looks. We're going to judge on taste. But also, for the sake of my mental health, I'm not going to ask anyone how this tastes. It looks... Whatever. 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 Okay, let's do it. stop. Okay, so what is this? This is the cake. Thumbnail? Oh no, let's get the better looking side of the cake, which is like no side. Okay, this side. So we're waiting for the cake topper, and I'm gonna decorate it with some Oreos. I'm gonna put it in the fridge to chill, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like in the end. But this is it. Okay. Hey guys, so it's the end of the evening and it was such a good time. I'm so exhausted though, I did so much work, but it was such a good time with our family. And
I'm Sonic.
We have a Sonic here, and we hope that you enjoyed this video. Aaron, we love you, happy birthday, and we hope you had a good time. Did you have a good time?
Yeah, I did.
Come, say hi. And this is Owen's first time on the YouTube channel. Hi.
Hi.
Did you have a good time at Aaron's birthday?
Awesome.
It was awesome, right?
Yeah.
Sonic the Hedgehog time.
Okay, one serious question.
What?
Did you like the cake?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
The cake was gone. Like, everybody wanted more and there was no more. So, 10 out of 10.
I want more cake.
You want more cake?
11 out of 10.
11 out of 10. Yeah. Alright, so bye guys. We'll see you in the next one.
Ow.
Sorry.
Bye. Say bye.
Oh my God.
Bye.